iConcept is a company which provides software services to agriculture community. The technology solutions that we provide to agriculture, we have a technology platform for the entire agriculture community. Provide array of technologies, including crop production, crop research, sales and marketing, distribution intelligence, and marketing intelligence we provide. We also provide call center services, we provide analytics services. If you look at research scientists, the sales and marketing team, government extension departments, we are working for the farmers. Connecting with farmers is the biggest challenge. iConcept focuses on connecting farmers to the enterprises and government sectors. The scientists who are coming out with new innovative technologies, if they have to communicate that best to the farmers, we provide a communication medium. The information technology will be made available to the farmers on hand. That's the technology we are focusing. For farmers now we are giving one small software called area calculator. Using area calculator, farmer can measure the area of his land by himself. He can just click on a button, it will start capturing the area. He just walks around the bunds, start from a point and end at the same point. It will easily calculate area for him. Similarly, we are coming out with some more applications in Android and other platforms where farmers themselves can use these softwares to gain some knowledge around it. We have a research-based product called MapX. MapX help agriculture research scientists to do the research in their farm field. Starting from the planning of research, the layout it has got, the observations they take in the field. On a real-time basis, the research scientists in different departments can see the observations coming out from the field on a real-time basis. And also crop production programs, for food security, all these companies are producing a lot of good hybrid seeds. For this hybrid seed production, it will happen on a large scale production in India. There are many seed production growers who grow it. For those grower management, there is a large field force who go and connect with the growers. For them, we provide software in a handheld application which has got GIS intelligence in that. So it will help them to capture the observations from the farmer fields and then the enterprises to look into the observations and take corrective measurements to take care of their crops so that they get quality and good yield out of the farm fields.